Welcome to the second video in this essential onboarding series. In the first video, we covered everything you need to know to start drafting documents with Smarter Drafter. Now we'll dive deeper and look at 3 features that you can use to your advantage right away. The first feature are the instruction-taking forms. The instruction-taking forms significantly cut down the time you spend entering details by putting more power in the hands of your client. Each Smarter Drafter document has its own instruction-taking form. These intake forms feed directly into the full forms which you then complete. They only contain the type of questions clients can easily answer, mostly party details and nothing technical. To send an intake form for a specific document to a client, either select it from the Intake Forms folder on the home page, or access the form by clicking on Send to Client to complete from the full form. Regardless of which option you choose, you will see a preview of what your clients will see. You can also send a blank intake form, or you can pre-fill it before sending it to your client. In this example, we will be sending an empty intake form. Once the dialog box appears, we will enter our client's name and email address, and then click on Send Email. By doing so, an email invitation will be triggered and sent to your client. When they click on the invitation, they will be prompted to fill out the form that we previously previewed. After your client submits their response, you will receive a notification. To access your client's answers and finish the form, go to the Submissions table and locate the relevant intake form labeled with your client's email address. Click the 3 dots on the right side and select Resume. You will notice that the form is already partially filled out, so all you need to do is provide answers to the legally technical questions and click Submit to complete it. The second feature we're going to look at is the Contacts database. With the Contacts database, you have the ability to store essential information about your clients, such as their names, addresses, emails, and phone numbers. This convenient feature eliminates the need for you to repeatedly enter these details in every Smarter Drafter form. Whenever you save or submit an online questionnaire, the system will prompt you to save any contact information that you have entered. You can choose to save it as a new contact or update the details of an existing contact if they are already stored in Smarter Drafter. Once you click Save, you will be able to add those party details to any new form simply by typing the first 3 or more letters of their first name or surname. Contacts can also be companies. Saving and retrieving a company's details works in the same way it does for individuals. You can also add or edit party details directly within the Contacts database. This way, they're ready to use when you wish to create a document. All you need to do is navigate to the Contacts database by clicking on Contacts in the side navigation. To add a new contact, click on the Add button and then fill in their information. Press Save when you're done. To edit a contact's details, click on the 3 dots and then select Edit. When you're done making changes to their record, press Save. Our Contacts database can be synchronized with several different practice management tools, so be sure to ask us if yours is included. We've covered everything from the initial intake, to drafting documents, to managing submissions, and to saving party details within Smarter Drafter. Now, let's have a look at the last piece of the puzzle that takes Smarter Drafter beyond being just a provider of automated legal documents. The last feature we're going to cover in this video are e-signatures. The days of getting your clients to come into your office for in-person signing are well and truly over, because now you can send documents for electronic signing straight from Smarter Drafter. We've integrated this feature into every single Smarter Drafter document, so it only takes a couple of clicks to get your clients to sign their documents in a safe and secure environment. To send a document for e-signing, navigate to the Submissions table and find the document you want to send to your client. Click the 3 dots on the right side and select Send for e-signatures. follow the prompts in the dialog and send the invite to your client. You can track the signing progress in the e-signatures dashboard. Navigate to it by clicking on e-signatures in the side navigation. And that's it. We'll see you in the next video where we will introduce some useful resources.